Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to connect your DreamHost email to Outlook, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done. It's quick and easy, so let's jump in. So you want to go and manage your DreamHost email in Outlook. It's pretty easy. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're on your homepage in DreamHost, and then you also want to go ahead and open up the Outlook app. Alright, so this is my Outlook app, and what we're going to do here is on the left hand side in DreamHost, we're going to look for mail and then manage email. So this is what we need the information. Now, if you're unsure as to where to find this information, don't worry. DreamHost has actually got you covered pretty good. So first of all, you're going to need the actual email address that you'd like to connect. So over here, you can see this is the email address that I'd like to connect. We're just going to copy this. So Control C on the keyboard, and we're going to go over to our Outlook app. On the left, you'll see add account. Depending on what version you're using, you'll have to find the add account option. Over here, you can see it has a suggested account, but that's not what we want. We want to add the email account that we want to add from DreamHost. So let's go ahead and add that in there. And here it's going to ask you to select your provider. Now, we can either use the IMAP or the POP. And the difference over here is going to be in the information that you add in. Okay, so let's find some information. Right over here at the top, you can click on the AI assistant, and here you can just dial in the whatever query you'd like, and it's going to give you all the information you need. So I just said I want to connect my DreamHost email to Outlook. Where do I find the incoming mail server and outgoing mail server? So it's now given me all my details over here. You can see I've got my incoming mail server and my outgoing mail server for POP as well as IMAP. So let's go back to Outlook, and I'm going to choose IMAP because this syncs all of your actions across your devices. And this is where you can give it a few seconds to recognize the details, the incoming and outgoing server details for this particular email address. So if you give it a second, it'll start to populate all of the fields over here. So you'll see all of this within a few seconds populate. So you'll see now that it has started to populate all of these fields. And what you can go ahead and do is actually just jump back in to DreamHost, and you can actually just check all the information over here. So once you are happy with all the information, you will just come down over here and you'll just have to add in your SMTP password. Okay, and this is just if it differs from your password that you've entered up over here. And we're going to go ahead and click on continue, and you can see over here you'll need to sync all the emails to the Microsoft Cloud. That's good, and let's just click on continue. Now once it has gone through the process, you will see the email account just over here with the rest of the email accounts.